So sometimes you even have input on on maybe winemaking technologies or the way that the wine is produced.
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes. I mean, for instance, maybe my input would be putting together a final blend, or maybe I'd work with the winemaker and say, okay, we're trying to benchmark it off of this other brand. I need something that has more of a lifted fruit component to it.
Okay.
And, so there is some of that. Excuse me. I don't want to make this sound like, it's, in many cases, put it this way, the winemaker, the winemaking team, they're the subject matter experts. And, they have the capability to understand, what they can produce. I mean, I can maybe nudge things in certain directions to say, here are trends that I'm seeing in the market. Let's try to kind of follow that versus
Yeah.
deviate from it.
Well, at this point, you already almost became a winemaker.
So, look, I've never been a winemaker, but I am involved in a number of consulting projects where I put together final blends in wineries, and I do have input on what ultimately ends up going in the bottle. But no, I'm not a winemaker, and actually never had an interest.
Really? That's interesting. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.